Hey guys, DK here, back from Beyblade video. And this video is going to be another Dragon Ceasar video. Probably won't do another Dragon Ceasar battle video until I get the set, which I'm set to get when it comes out. So I'm going to pre-order it. But I found something cool throughout Dragon Ceasar with the Fang driver. As you can see, that basically I pushed in the tip, which I didn't know I could do until recently. And it actually makes it go crazy. It's actually a crazy attack with it. And we're going to battle Brave and left spin attack. And I'll be doing another Dragon Ceasar vs. Brave Bow video, and all the rest of the Sparking bays I have of World, Spriggan, and Rage, but let's just do these two for now. And I'll be going up to 5. Okay. 3-0. And Dragon Ceasar again. And Brave versus Dragon Ceasar. 42. Beat Brave's attack. Stuck in the middle. Good. Up. And Brave wins 4-3. And Dragon Ceasar takes it 5-3. You guys should, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next Beyblade video.